In this video, I'll show you how to check your Chatgpt Wrapped for 2025. So this video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. So come on here on the test. What you need to type in hello. I got my Spotify yearly recap. Please, I would love to get my full end of the year test and chat activity recap. So this is what you need to type and highlight. So send it. So wait for it to load up. So you're going to be able to see your full recap. So you can see this is what is going to come out. So your Chatgpt 2025 review is here. So this is it. So this is all of them. So you can see a playful look back at a conversation. So this is what you need to do. So active this month 5 days, active this week 1 day. So this is all of them. So please, if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Remember to use this I just sent here for you to be able to get your own Chatgpt Wrapped. So I'll see you all in the very next video.